The blood doesn't look real at first. It looks too clean, too still. Like someone spilled paint. You are standing in your living room, bare feet on cold tiles. Your hand is shaking. Here is something in it. A knife. Not yours. From him, the man on the floor. He's not moving. He was moving 10 seconds ago. Talking, shouting. Now nothing. The silence is louder than anything. You look at your hands. Here is blood. It's warm. That's the worst part. A thought forms. There is no version of the next 10 minutes that doesn't end quietly. Let's go back. His name is Armin. You've known him for 9 years. Met him at your first job. He talked to you on day 1. You became close fast. Lunch breaks together. Late night calls, weekend plans. He knew things no one else did. And you trusted him. Not casually, structurally. Like a pillar in your life. 2 years later, you start a business together, small at first. Then growing. Then suddenly real. Employee's office. Money. You never question each other. Until it isn't. It starts small. A number doesn't match. Late night. Everyone else gone. You notice a payment. Unknown vendor. You pause. You check again. Still there. You search the name. Nothing comes up. No records. Just empty. You dig deeper. More transactions. Again over months. $96,000 gone. Authorized by Armin. You sit with it. Because this is Armin. Your friend. Your partner. The person who stayed. So you call him. Simple. Calm. We need to talk. You meet the next day. Same place as before. You show him the numbers. He looks. Something changes. His face closes. Like a door. You ask, "What is this?" He says it's nothing. You know it's not. You push gently. Then firmly, the conversation shifts. Not loud. Worse. Quiet. He leaves. No explanation. You don't call the police. Not yet, because it's Armin. You give him time. 3 days. You tell him come over. Explain everything. He agrees. Night arrives. You are waiting. You haven't slept. The door unlocks. He still has a key. He walks in. Slow. He doesn't sit, doesn't smile. Just stands there, watching you. You ask what's going on. He says you shouldn't have looked. Something is wrong. Then his hand moves. Inside his jacket. It comes out holding something. A knife. No hesitation. No doubt. Just decision. Everything changes. He steps forward. You step back. Your heart is loud. He says, "I can't let you ruin this. You don't understand." He moves. The knife comes toward you. You react. Not thinking. Just reacting. You swing once. It connects. Then he falls. The knife drops. Everything goes silent. You call emergency. Your voice isn't yours. You sit next to him. Here is blood. So much blood. He looks at you. His eyes change. Then nothing. Police arrive. They see a body. They see you. You say self-defense. They don't look convinced. They see motive. Conflict. And now death. Your story unclear. No witnesses. Just you. And he's gone. Then they find something. The transactions where the money went. Not theft. A hospital. For someone, his daughter. Everything changes again. He wasn't stealing. He was saving her. You are cleared. But not completely. Because now you know. You think about that night. Over and over. The moment before. Where a conversation could happen. Where he could ask for help. And you would say yes. But he didn't. And now you live with it. The real weapon was silence.